You have got your affiliate link. Now how do you get people to click it? Let's talk about the best way to promote your product online. Social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok and Facebook are free and powerful for promoting affiliate links through posts, reels and stories. Create videos or blog reviewing products. These stay online for years and keep generating traffic and sales for you. Build an email list. Share helpful content with your subscribers and include your affiliate links naturally. Now you know how to promote your links. In the next video, I will show you powerful tricks to increase your conversion and sales.